What's up, mi gente? Today's project, we're gonna remove all these bushes right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way over there. And we're gonna take all this volcanic rock out, put some new plastic edging, and install new gray slate rock. This is gonna be out. That one too. Gonna leave the roads alone. All right, we have the rock. I think that should be plenty. Let's get it. Gotta have this out. This is the last one, completely out. Now we're grading the ground, ready to install new plants over here. Now it's time to plant. We got rid of all the overgrown shrubs and bushes. Now we're gonna plant the new ones right here. This one's good to go. Alright, so we're installing. Now we're getting ready to install the new gray slate rock. This is the final product. Everything's done. Brand new rock, bushes. Right here, same thing. Everything is nice and good looking. Have the edging, the new rock.